I'm about to start the install of the new handlebars. I wanted to go with the OE handlebars, but unfortunately they're not available, back ordered. So what we are going to install today is some Protapers. Let me get them real quick for you. Here they are. They're the Protaper Se7R. They're nice, I like them, but I was really hoping to only do the OEs on this quad. I really like the OE feel. Let's see how these are. I was told that they got the Raptor bend, so they're supposed to work out just fine. So you loosen these up. They're 8mm. And I took obviously the OE zip ties off. And so I'm gonna start working my way around here. Gonna get the actual ignition switch off. Then I'm gonna work my way to the brake lever, then over to the accelerator. Then I'm gonna pop this cap off, and then we're gonna go from there. Let's see how the new bars look. I like them. They look good. But I'm still gonna get the OEs just for that OE feel. We kind of bent her back up. She's not all the way. Still waiting for a bracket that's on back order. And then see if we could set it up just right. Ran into a quick difficulty while I'm removing the ignition switch. It looks like when they put the glue for the grips, it glued onto the ignition switch, so it's not letting it come off. I'm gonna work my way around it, and then I'm gonna get this one off and see if they did the same thing on that side as well. So let's see. More difficult than I thought. I had to go around cutting part of the handles, the grips that glued onto the actual ignition switch. So what I'm gonna be doing is cleaning those up right now when I put the new handlebars on. So yeah, that's unfortunate. So whatever. All right, fairly easy removal process. Oh, don't want to lose the clamp. These are 12mm, really easy to remove. I'm gonna start working on installing the actual, it's really neat, the key holder, the actual ignition or the key cylinder. This is usually on the TRXs held on by a bolt with a little bracket on the handles, if I'm not mistaken, but here it's just a clip-on, which is really cool. I hope it fits this guy. All right, let me get it installed here. All right, they're on there. They're not fully tightened down, but I like the way they feel. Still not like the OE feel. These are supposed to be the Raptor bend. So they look nice. So I'm just gonna get them fine-tuned. I'm gonna tighten them up and probably go for a quick spin, see how they feel. All right, boys, wrapped it up. It's a pretty easy install, didn't take too long. I have to probably dial in the brake lever, the throttle, and the clutch, but I'm gonna go for a quick little ride, see how it's doing. I'm gonna just put the zip ties back on. But it's not a difficult. You got 2 screws on this, you got the 8mm bolts on that, 8mm, and then screws on that as well. I think the most difficult thing out of the install is the grip tapes, or the grips. Those are not that easy once you put the glue on. But yeah, she's coming back along. See if we can take her out today on a quick ride, see how she does.